Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is the number of lines of symmetry in the given figure is, and we have given one figure here. If a line divides a figure into two parts such that when the figure is folded about the line, the two parts of the figure coincide. Then the line is known as line of symmetry. So here we have given figure like this. So the lines of symmetry are like hence given figure has 4 lines of symmetry.